This one's called Super Heavy and Loud Winds and Rain. Super heavy and loud winds and rain. You hear all that noise? That's from the wind and the rain. It's super loud. It's very heavy, very powerful, blowing and pushing everything around, just like if it was a little mini tornado or hurricane, but not quite as powerful as that. This is about as good as it's going to get for San Diego. And very light rain, but primarily a lot of wind and a lot of blowing around. Alright, so if we get more rain along with this heavy wind, I'll come back and do another video. Until then, thanks for watching, and part 3 will be soon. God bless.